Okay guys, so in this video we're going to talk about, remember we talked earlier about the 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers and the amount of watch hours. Alright, so once you're all done with that guys, met those thresholds we were talking about regarding shorts and stuff, once you have what you need and your channel is eligible to apply, sign up for the YouTube program from either a desktop computer or your mobile device. For Android computer or iPhone or iPad, open the YouTube. Remember we showed earlier video on how to go into your YouTube channel, your dashboard, scroll down, and then go into the YouTube Studio app. Okay, from the bottom menu, tap. So once you go into the menu, look on your left hand side, look for earn. Once you hit earn, you click, you get to earn, hit earn, and then on earn you select apply now to get started. Then once you hit that, then click start to review and accept the base terms, which is, all YouTube terms and conditions. We can't do nothing but them, so just read them, accept them, I would say. Then once you're done, click start to set up an AdSense for your YouTube account, or if you already had AdSense, link an existing active one now, right, to your YouTube channel. Okay. And then remember, currently only the application process is available in the YouTube Studio app. We're working on it. This is news I got from YouTube. All right, so trying to take information directly from them and trying to be as, I guess you'd say, as current as we can, because YouTube changes their offerings, I guess you'd say, from time to time. So it says we're working on adding more features soon, such as managing ads and other monetization features. For now, go to the YouTube Studio using a web browser on a phone, tablet, or computer to access all the features. Once you've applied, you'll see in progress. So once you applied for the program, you'll see in progress and the be reviewed step. Okay, which means that we have received your application and they're going to review it. All right, so we'll stop for now, and then we'll talk about what happens after or during while they're reviewing it. Thank you.